Chia seeds are everywhere these days, from trendy cafes to the aisles of your local supermarket, and even in the recipes you see online. It seems like no matter where you look, these tiny seeds are making a big appearance. They're topping creamy yogurts, blended into vibrant smoothie bowls, and even stirred into overnight oats for a nutritious boost. But their rise in popularity isn't just a passing fad. More and more people are searching for simple, natural ways to improve their health, and chia seeds fit the bill perfectly. Packed with nutrients, they're an easy addition to almost any meal. You don't need to be a chef or a nutrition expert. Just sprinkle them on your breakfast cereal, stir them into a glass of juice, or mix them into your favorite recipes. Their mild flavor means they blend in seamlessly. Their versatility and ease of use make them perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or grabbing a quick snack, chia seeds can be added in seconds, making healthy eating more convenient than ever. Plus, when soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like texture that's great for puddings, jams, or even as an egg substitute in baking, opening up a world of creative possibilities in the kitchen. With nutrition info more accessible than ever, people are seeking out superfoods, and chia delivers a big nutritional punch in a tiny package. They're loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential minerals. The buzz is real. Friends, family, and even celebrities are sharing stories of more energy, better digestion, and easier weight management, all thanks to these little seeds. It's not just about the science, it's about real people seeing real results in their everyday lives, feeling healthier and more energized. Chia seeds symbolize a shift back to whole, unprocessed foods, reminding us that sometimes the simplest ingredients can have the biggest impact. They're an ancient food, once prized by Aztec and Mayan cultures, that's found a new home in modern kitchens around the world. Simple, powerful, and backed by positive feedback. No wonder chia seeds are the superfood star of today, inspiring people everywhere to eat better and feel their best. So, what are chia seeds? You've probably seen them sprinkled on smoothie bowls or mixed into puddings, but there's a lot more to these tiny seeds than meets the eye. Chia seeds are the edible seeds of the Salvia hispanica plant, a flowering species in the mint family that's native to Central and South America. The plant itself grows delicate purple or white flowers, and it's been cultivated for centuries for its nutritious seeds. Chia seeds come in black, white, and even gray varieties, but nutritionally they're almost identical. So whether you prefer the look of black or white seeds, you're getting the same health benefits. These seeds have a fascinating history. They were a staple food for ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations, who relied on them for energy and endurance. In fact, chia seeds were so valuable that they were sometimes used as currency and offered to the gods in religious ceremonies. The word chia actually means strength in the Mayan language, which speaks to their reputation for providing stamina and vitality, especially for warriors and messengers who needed to travel long distances. Ancient cultures didn't just eat chia for energy, they also used it in traditional medicine, believing it could help with joint pain, digestive issues, and even skin conditions. Chia was truly a multi-purpose superfood long before the term existed. People would grind chia seeds into flour for baking, soak them in water to create a gel for drinks and porridges, or press them to extract oil. These traditional preparations made the most of chia's unique properties, like its ability to absorb liquid and form a gel. When we eat chia seeds today, we're participating in a tradition that stretches back thousands of years, connecting us to the wisdom and practices of ancient peoples. Chia isn't just a modern health trend, it's a time-tested staple that stood the test of time, adapting to new recipes and lifestyles while keeping its core benefits. By understanding where chia seeds come from and how they've been used, we can appreciate that their benefits are rooted in history, not just marketing or hype. So, when you add chia seeds to your meals, you're not just boosting your nutrition, you're embracing a superfood with a rich proven legacy that continues to nourish people around the world. What happens when you eat chia seeds? They absorb liquid and swell, forming a gel in your stomach. This gel helps you feel full longer, making it easier to manage your appetite and weight. It also slows digestion, leading to a steady release of energy and more stable blood sugar levels. Instead of energy spikes and crashes, you get sustained fuel throughout the day. In your gut, chia's gel acts as a prebiotic, feeding healthy bacteria and supporting digestion. The fiber adds bulk, helping keep things moving and preventing constipation. Chia seeds support gut health and overall well-being from the inside out. Let's break down why chia seeds are called a superfood. Just 2 tablespoons pack about 11 grams of fiber, nearly a third of your daily needs. They're a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, great for plant-based diets. Chia is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, which supports brain and heart health. They're rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, key minerals for bones and energy. Antioxidants in chia protect your cells from damage and support long-term health. All this nutrition comes in a tiny, versatile seed. Chia truly is a complete package for wellness. What can chia seeds do for your body? You might be surprised at just how much these tiny seeds can impact your overall health and well-being. First, they're a game changer for digestion, thanks to their high fiber. Just a small serving can provide a significant portion of your daily fiber needs, helping to keep your digestive system balanced and regular. Regular use can ease bloating and keep your system running smoothly. Many people notice less discomfort and more energy when they add chia seeds to their daily routine. Chia's omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants work together to support heart health, lowering bad cholesterol and reducing inflammation. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system and can help protect against heart disease. They help with weight management by keeping you full, so you're less likely to snack or overeat. The gel-like texture chia seeds form when soaked slows digestion, making you feel satisfied for longer. Add them to breakfast, and you'll stay satisfied for hours. Whether in oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt, chia seeds are a versatile way to start your day right. Chia is also a powerhouse for bone health, offering calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, perfect for those avoiding dairy. These minerals are crucial for strong bones and teeth, and chia seeds make it easy to get them naturally. Just 1 serving rivals the calcium in a small glass of milk, making chia seeds a smart choice for vegans or anyone with lactose intolerance. For anyone looking to boost digestion, heart, weight, or bone health, chia seeds are a simple, effective addition. They fit easily into any diet and can be enjoyed by the whole family. They're easy to use and deliver real noticeable benefits. Just sprinkle them on your meals or stir them into drinks. No complicated prep required. That's why so many people swear by them. Give chia seeds a try, and you might just discover a new favorite superfood that supports your health every single day. Ready to try chia? The key is to let them soak. Never eat large amounts dry as they expand and can cause blockages. Mix 1 part chia to 9 or 10 parts liquid for best results. Make chia pudding by combining seeds with milk or water, sweetener, and letting it sit overnight. Top with fruit or nuts for a healthy breakfast or snack. Not a fan of pudding? Stir soaked seeds into porridge, yogurt, or smoothies, or use as an egg substitute in baking. For a quick drink, add a tablespoon to water, shake, and let it sit before sipping. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons a day and let your body adjust to the extra fiber. Chia is easy to add to almost any meal, just remember to hydrate them first. A few tips to get the most from chia seeds. Always hydrate them before eating, and start with small amounts to avoid digestive discomfort. People with swallowing issues or certain medical conditions should consult a doctor before trying chia. If you're on blood pressure or blood sugar medication, check with your healthcare provider first. When to eat chia? Breakfast is great for lasting energy and fullness, or try before workouts for a slow release boost. Chia pudding at night can curb evening snacking and support muscle repair. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. In summary, chia seeds are a simple, affordable way to boost your health. They support digestion, heart, bones, and weight management. Just start slow and hydrate them well. Small seeds, big benefits. Chia is a superfood worth adding to your daily routine.